Hey, Glacier. I didn't realize Chelsea's face. She's actually gross. She is. These are beautiful faces. This is real beauty pageant. This is the top. This is the top. This should be. Yes. Except beautiful. Except sorry. Go ahead.
So yun po ang side comment ng mga tao doon sa venue dito sa kanilang pag-award sa mga Continental Queens or yung mga Miss Universe dito sa kanya-kanyang continents. So maririnig natin doon mga kapolitika na talagang grabe yung paghanga nila dito kay Chelsea Manalo at ang sinasabi nila ay napakaganda daw nitong ating kandidata. At update rin po pala dito kay Chelsea, siya na po ay uuwi dito sa ating bansa bago pag-usapan yung maging role niya dito sa Miss Universe kasi nga sasali siya dito sa world tour ng nasabing beauty contest. So papunta na po kanina ang ating update is nasa Los Angeles na itong si Chelsea Manalo bago siya babalik dito sa Pilipinas para i-spend time niya yung kanyang pamilya at the same time yung mga interviews niya dito sa media. So medyo malaki-laki at malawak yung maging offer. Maraming offer itong si Chelsea Manalo dahil nga sa pagkawagi at paghirang sa kanya bilang Miss Universe Asia. Samantala nagpaalam na rin po itong si Miss Dominican Republic dito sa ating kandidata na si Chelsea Manalo bago siya umuwi sa kanyang bansa sa Dominican Republic. So makikita natin dito mga kapolitika na mabait rin pala itong si Miss Dominican Republic dito kay Chelsea Manalo. Siguro ganun lang talaga ang kanyang behavior sa kabila ng mga issue at kontrobersya na kanyang kinakaharap dito sa beauty pageant ng Miss Universe at 2024. At dito makikita rin natin kung saan is pinagkaguluhan itong si Chelsea Manalo ng mga supporters niya dito sa Mexico. Hindi lang po mga Pinoy kundi pati na rin po yung ibang lahi.
I'll see you. Thank you so much. You look fabulous today.
Thank you, Celine.
Photo? Okay, photo.
No, video.
Oh, video. Okay. Are you going home to Dominica?
Yes, no, tomorrow.
When? Tomorrow? Okay. Oh, you did it easy, baby.
Where are you traveling with Vina? Today?
No, I'm going to LA first, then I'll go to Philippines.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you
My
so
team
much.
is all in LA.
Oh,
When
nice.
you want to go to the Philippines, you let me know. We'll be happy to take
Thank
you.
you
Okay?
so
Because
much. Thank
all of
you.
the other girls wants to go. I think
Oh,
Pena is
nice.
going, Cuba's going. They want to go to the beach. Okay. You love to go to the beach? Then let me know.
Yes, I love a fish.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Celine.
man. Thank you,
Wonderful
man.
experience. Okay. Take care. Take care. Message kayo, Misha. See you.
Leaving Mexico. On adios.
Los Angeles. Time to enjoy naman, relax.
Time to go home and spend time with my family.
Here.
Anyway, they'll be here tomorrow morning.
But you're going to Vegas, right?
Yes, we might or we might just stay in LA kasi my family are traveling from Las Vegas to LA.
I haven't seen them in a while.
I haven't.
Buti na lang Manny is with them, ano?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Pero bagay na bagay siya sa boots, ano?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm that girl.
Okay, back to LA. Back to LA, Team Chelsea. Yes, dami nagpapano picture kay Chelsea, ah.
Ang ganda.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
guys.
Our Miss Universe Asia.
Bye, Chelsea. When will you be home? Your
Very
kababayan
soon.
are asking.
Excited na ako. See you all.
Kompleto na kayo.
Ano gusto mong kainin?
Burger.
Ah, burger?
Filipino food.